there was conversation about Shanti and how she trades. So, first of all, Shanti's not playing 0 days. I can almost guarantee it. If she does, they are few and far between. So, what we see here is a 3-1-2. So this is my daily trigger, right? And I would encourage everyone to be really labeling their charts. I know that I don't, but that's the best thing that you could do for yourself, okay? Then you have this double top on the 4 hour, which is the same entry, right? You have this hourly 3-2. So now you have a lower entry that could trigger the day, right? And what I can guarantee you she's also looking at is the week. So this week was a potential outside week, right? So if this is my weekly open, first thing I want to do is obviously flip the week green and then go outside, right? So this is my outside week target. And I can guarantee these lines exist on her chart, and really they're in my head, but they should exist on the chart. Look at the month. What does this look like? This looks like Google's going to continue up on the month. I just wanted to trigger the month. That's my target, right? And I would argue that's probably her target. So how do you trade this? What do? You have a few options. I think the best option is to get in here at the hour, or you can get in on this 30 to trigger that hour, right? So you have a 3-2-30, which gives you even more space up and a tighter stop. So now you have the hourly trigger. I hope I have that here, do I? No, I don't have a template for it, but this entry right here is a 30-minute entry. This minute right here is the hourly trigger, right? So you have 2 triggers to get you to where you want to go, right? And what happens is you look at this the night before. So people who chart the night before, great, you know. So I know that I want this 3-1-2 day. First target is weekly flip. Second target is boom. Well, actually, I guess the second target would be here, right? So we have target there. We have a little PMG-ish action, not technically PMG, right? So target there. Then we have a target here, right? So we're just going up and up. And then again, right, we have this weekly target. This outside week is my ultimate target. So when I'm looking at this the night before, I see a 3-1, I'm thinking, all right, let's go. Let's do it, right? Same thing for Amazon. Fail 2 down, weekly open right here. I want to go up, okay? But can guarantee she's not playing a 0 day. There's no need to add that stress to your life. So you can get into next week contracts, you can get into commons, you can do whatever you want. But if this is my entry right here, right? Then I have options for my exit, right? I have a wick list candle here, so I actually don't want this to flip red, right? I can exit there. I can exit at the low of this. That feels like super aggressive. That's not what I would do. I would probably exit if this candle flipped red, okay? So now that I'm in here, I have no reason to look back on this trade. Oops. I just now am waiting to hit my targets. Because if I'm trailing on the 30, that means this never hits an exit. Boom, boom. These are inside, so don't matter. Boom, boom. Hits my target, and then I have reason to get out if I want to, right? So that's how that trade works. It's actually a more stress-free trading style. The reason why I don't do that is because I want money faster and quicker, and I actually like the speed of the game. But if you're trying to trade stress-free and relaxed and get into decent setups and be able to walk away, this is definitely the style that I would suggest. And I've made a video going through showing how the 30 and the hour are the way to go. Rob has made those videos as well. There's just time and time again. Fridays are sometimes a little trickier, but time and time again, you're shown how and why that works. Look at a firm here, boom, down. And if you don't see it, like If it's not there, then just don't trade it. It doesn't matter. Skip it. Don't live with that stress.